worker hours continued. So this is Jose. He started at, I believe, Wagner. Yeah, 2519. Wagner, and this is a multi-unit, so it's B, closet, rod. And again, clocking we don't have to do because they find that from the system where they, on Chronotech. That was Jose and Andre. Let's look at the text. He started at 6109 Park Heights C. List. See, I don't have a good time for him because I know he did. Looks like the only other one he did was on the same. It's the same property, it's a different address. Pinckney is 3507 Pinckney. It's 18 units, I believe. 3507 Pinckney, 3509 Pinckney, 6107 Park Heights, and 6109 Park Heights. It's a corner property, so it's really 4 separate addresses. It's 4 separate buildings, 2 on Park Heights and 2 on Pinckney. So it's really the same property, which is the same owner, and therefore there's more flexibility in terms of time on each unit because it's the same owner, so it doesn't really cost the owner more. It's just allocating it properly. So try to be as accurate as possible, but when we can't really be, then we just work with what we have. So I'm going to wing it to a certain extent as when he switched from one unit to the other. I think he was there for, let me see if I can cross-reference with when William left there, because they were working together originally. I think he was, let's give it till like 11. The other thing we do is once they create the invoice and I see how much time he spent on each one, if it looks off based on that, based on what the work was done, then we can always adjust it that way. So this is not an exact science of allocating workers' hours. There is some wiggle room. For example, if a guy texts me I'm finished the project that I'm working on and it takes me 10-15 minutes to be able to respond to him, so what do you do with those 10 minutes type of thing. So we'll play with it as we go, but this is workers' hours.